And welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is continuously moving upside and it is already being at all-time high. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, because see this level we have not seen since long, but two three things that you have to understand looking at this particular chart. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share if you like it. Okay, or please let us know in the comments if you need any changes in it. See, if you look at this trend, what we have seen after pandemic, there are three patterns formed. Okay, and this pattern is being same, that the U patterns are forming. Okay, now things that you have to understand here is that whenever it is making a new high, you understand this, there is a fall is coming and the good fall is coming. So after that a swing is forming. Okay, and this swing form, that is where it moved upside. Now it is in this range. Okay, it has already been on all-time high, so chances will be very high that if the price started moving above that level, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, and keep it in mind that it has already been a level of around $22-33. Okay, with a strong support you can see coming at a level of around 22 to $4. Okay, if the price keeps sustaining over the sea, what will happen? If a profit booking comes, this will act as a support, so a bounce back can come from this particular level. If that level didn't sustain, then we can see this there will be a fall. Okay, because if you look at these trend, there is a continuous fall we have seen, but at this level we have seen it's trying to go higher and higher, and we have seen that for this particular year we have seen the election will be there, so chances can be high that if the dollar indexes start strengthening, we can see the gold price can come down, even silver prices. Okay, and other commodities also being affected. So if you look at the dollar index also, you will see that there is a clear pattern forming towards an upside in the dollar index. Okay, so if the price of dollar index started continuously moving, see, as I've already explained, you see the dollar index is moving upside as well as the gold price moving upside. See, this is, they are inversely related, but there are other factors also that the price can move in the same direction. So you have to understand whatever people say or any other news or something says, you always have to remember to put your SL, because market is always uncertain. Okay, see, suppose if you are putting an SL in this range, okay, but the volatility is in this particular range, so your SL will hit more compared to your target. Okay, so always try to see the volatility. Okay, event is coming or not coming, so as per that you have to put your SL, so your SL should not be hit, your target should be hit. Okay, and so that will save your capital. But once you started in profit, then always try to trail your profit so your profit can be saved. Okay, now see, the dollar index is already been on an upside, so it is going above a level of 104.5. it is continuously upside. But if the price started going below this level, a level of around 103.5, then we can see it will go further low. As soon as the price started falling below $103.5, a further upside we can see in the price of gold. But now the dollar index is trying to continuously move upside, so it can move further down if the price started falling below this particular level. Now look at this particular trend, gold. Okay, now suppose if the price sustain this level, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of $22.40, and if the price keep moving on that level, we can see a level of 22.50. Suppose if the price keep moving above that particular level, chances can be high it can touch a level of 2300 also. What you can do is you can trail by $10, so you can take this full movement of the gold, so that there is a higher chances that we can see a further upside movement. And yes, it can go, but if the price started falling below a level $222.4, we can see there will be a further fall. So suppose if the price started falling below this level, we can see it can go towards a level of $2194, and from there a further fall we can see towards 2162. Okay, suppose the price started falling below that particular level, we can see a level of 2145, and if started going below that particular zone, a further fall we can see towards a level of 2091. Keep it in mind that as soon as the price started falling below this level, a chance of touching 2224 will be there, and from there a level of 2194, and once started going below this level, we can see a level of 2162. Once started moving below that particular zone, it can go towards its next support of 2154, and from there a probability of going towards 2145. So once started going below 2145, then the next support coming at a level of $2091, and from there a level of 2077. If the price started falling below 2077, a further fall we can see towards 2047, and then further low. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail IDs also.